Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Ask Dr. Jack Show. I am Dr. Jack Belitz, chiropractor in Omaha.
Hello, I'm Aaliyah, Dr. Jack's assistant.
And together we are here presenting the Ask Dr. Jack Show 2.0.
That's right, and spring has sprung, so we are in allergy season now. Everybody is coughing and sneezing and watery eyes and
Itchy
what do we
nose,
do about
sinus
it?
pressure, exactly. Here's the thing, is there are some people that just get these seasonally, and there are some people that deal with this all year round. Basically, it's the same thing. It's just you're reacting to different things. So basically what is happening in the body is either pollen from a tree or a flower or a weed, or possibly dust or potentially mold will enter your body somehow. And if you are a normal person, your body has no big deal. It just says, fine, you're there, we'll get rid of you when we get a chance. But for some people, their body sees that pollen or mold or dust as something to be fearful of. And so it mounts an immune response and basically creates certain chemicals that will basically try to wall it off and fight against that as if it were something really bad. So luckily, there are things that you can do about this. Now, when I was a kid, I had hay fever, and I got it because I was stung by a bee. It's not uncommon to start getting hay fever because the pollen can get on the stinger gets inside the blood vessel, all of a sudden the body says, whoa, what's that? And from then on, people start having hay fever symptoms. Now, when I was a kid and I had these symptoms, my parents would do the best thing they could, which was over-the-counter medications. And basically, they knocked me out. You know, a little, grade schooler. I was like a zombie in class. Now, sure, I wasn't having the sneezing and the coughing and everything like that, but I also wasn't able to study and function because I wasn't awake, basically. I was basically sleeping through the entire system. So, when I got into high school, my dad started finding homeopathics. And so we went up to Chicago to actually get some work done with some homeopathic remedies. And homeopathy is amazing. And in fact, the country of Sweden has determined that, or stated that, or I'm sorry, not Sweden, Switzerland. They taken a stand on alternative healthcare with government officials saying that homeopathy is effective and cost efficient, especially when it comes to treating allergies and upper respiratory tract infections. So you've got a whole country saying that this is a really awesome thing. It's too bad more countries don't recognize that, but it is. It really is amazing. And it does it by not trying to suppress the immune system, which is what makes you so lethargic and tired and all that other stuff. But it actually gives your body an immune system boost to fight things more efficiently and then recognize that basically this doesn't have to be fought anymore. So homeopathy is really an amazing way of fighting problems like hay fever and other allergy type things. So anyway, if you have issues like that, please let us try to help you out with it, because allergies are no fun. I've lived with them forever. Homeopathy can sometimes be the only thing that we need to do. Sometimes your immune system isn't working properly because your nervous system isn't working properly. And we can do that, check that out with a quick test on the computer to see where you're at. And then between the two of those things, we can just have amazing shifts in how your body responds to these invaders.
That's right, that about sums it up.
All right. Like and share this, please. This is important. The more people that see this, the more likely that people are not using the over-the-counter medications or even prescription medications to deal with these things.
That's right.
All right. That's it, everybody.
Stay healthy,
Omaha.